Hello, my wonderful class. We are going to be listening and reading to another poem today, and this one is called Wild Goose. So, this poem is all about geese, all right? I know, weird poem, right? But it's actually really good. So, I'm going to quick read it to you, and then we'll talk about it in a second. He climbs the wind above, green clouds of pine, honking to hail the gathering migration, and arching toward the south, pulls to align his flight into the great spearhead formation. He'll find a bayou land of hidden pools and bask amid lush fern and water lily, far from the frozen world of earthbound fools who, shivering, maintain that geese are silly. So, friends, this is all about when geese are flying south for the winter, right? Starts up here, right? He's climbing the wind, right? That's the goose. And you know how geese kind of do are like in a point, kind of like a triangle. That's how they um fly. That's how it's saying, flighting spearhead formation. And a bayou land is talking about down south, the bayous, which is, usually like Georgia or Florida, right? And then it's kind of saying that, hey, we're the ones who, you know, are up here in the frozen world of Wisconsin and up here, with the winter. And we say that geese are silly because they're always flying south. But hey, we're the silly ones, right? Because we're the ones that are stuck here in the winter. All right, so that is Wild Goose. I hope you like it.